Are you stuck in these healthy eating traps? Watch on so you can watch out for these 5 common healthy eating mistakes. It can be overwhelming trying to take in all the advice that's out there on healthy eating. Eating well has so many benefits for our overall health and well-being, including our physical health, mental health, our daily energy levels, and our sleep. In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 mistakes I see people make when trying to eat healthy. And by understanding and identifying these pitfalls, you can avoid the traps and focus on eating well to nourish your body. Welcome back, Thrivers, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm Amy, a registered dietitian, and on my channel, I share research-backed nutrition tips, foods for health, and I share my passion for cooking with you in nourishing and delicious recipes. If you haven't subscribed and you love good food and practical nutrition tips, now's the time to hit that subscribe button and join our group of Thrivers. Have you heard the advice to only shop the perimeter of the grocery store? I'm here to debunk this once and for all. First off, while the perimeter does have lovely produce, meats, and dairy, there are other sneaky, crappy foods there too. Yogurts that are loaded with sugar and fat-laden coffee creamers, there's plenty others. By just shopping the perimeter, you're missing out on so many good-for-you foods. Within the aisles, there's beans, whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, oats, there's canned tuna and salmon, nuts and nut butters. Plus the frozen food aisle has good foods too, like frozen veggies, frozen fruit, and proteins. If you just shop the perimeter of the store, not only would you miss out on delicious foods, you would also miss out on key nutrients. Grains like those that are found in whole wheat bread and pasta, barley and popcorn contain B vitamins that are really important for our health. And if you skipped the middle of the store, you would pass right by the olive oil and vinegars, which you can use to make your own salad dressings and marinades. And here's a fun fact. Canned tomatoes are richer in lycopene than fresh tomatoes. And lycopene is a powerhouse of an antioxidant that is linked to cancer prevention. So feel at ease shopping the entire store. Go for fresh, go for frozen, or canned options based on your own preferences. Mistake number 2, being too restrictive. I see this time and again. Wanting to eat healthier, we can fall into the trap of really restrictive eating plans. And social media can convince you that restriction is the way. But crazy restriction is not the way, and it's not healthful. When we're so focused on avoiding certain foods, we forget the freedom that adding foods can bring. Instead of a restrictive approach that focuses on the foods you need to cut out or can't eat, brainstorm the foods that you're going to add into your meal plans. Try new grains, try new fruits, vegetables. And here's a tip, slowly add in new foods. This gives you a chance to really determine what you like, saves on food waste, and makes adding new good-for-you foods fun instead of feeling like homework. Food freedom allows flexibility. It focuses on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and allowing yourself to enjoy occasional treats without guilt. This plan is one that is sustainable and nourishing. So forget restriction and find food freedom. Skipping meals to save on calories is a big mistake. And while on the surface it may seem like reducing your calorie intake would be beneficial, skipping meals can cause the opposite to happen. When we skip a meal, our energy levels drop and our metabolism slows down, which leads us to burn less energy. A total bummer. Another bummer of working right through your lunch, your blood sugar takes a dive, signaling your body to produce cortisol. Cortisol is commonly called our stress hormone and can leave you feeling irritable and moody as well. Skipping meals can also cause us to be downright ravenous later in the day or before our next mealtime, which can lead to opening the pantry and grabbing whatever is quick to crush that hunger. Over time, the pattern of skipping meals can mess with your body's natural hunger and fullness cues, making it even more challenging to eat well. Not enjoying your food. Eating well does not have to mean that you eat steamed broccoli and poached chicken every single night. I mean, if you love that, then go for it. But if you're eating plain, boring food all the time for the sake of some idea of healthiness, then it's just not going to stick and it's not going to last long term. You're gonna get bored. Healthful food can and should be flavorful and delicious and make you feel good from the inside out. Plus, herbs and spices are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that are beneficial for our health. So try new things, add herbs and spices, and skip the boring meals for food that packs flavor and nutrition. This will keep you interested, it will keep your taste buds excited, and best of all, help you continue on the path to wellness. Raise your hand if you have frantically run into the grocery store at 6 p.m. to grab something for dinner to feed your family, or 5 p.m. hits and you quickly scan your fridge and pantry and end up ordering out because you just don't know what to cook. I'm pretty sure all of us have our hands up. And that is why planning is key. And it's absolutely necessary in order to set yourself up for successful, healthy eating. My husband Devin likes to say, choose your hard. Do you want your hard to be spending time planning out a week of meals? Or do you want your hard to be ordering takeout all week and feeling crummy afterwards? Without a plan, it's so easy to make impulsive food choices that just don't align with your health goals. Literally, all you have to do is go on Uber Eats, 3 clicks later, and dinner is on its way. That's easy. The hard part is feeling icky after eating fast food that didn't sit well with your stomach, or feeling sluggish the next day from eating too much sodium in that food. Planning can be hard starting off, but that's why I'm here. Grab your planner, your phone, or a simple piece of paper and write down 2 meals that you know you can cook that are tasty and make you feel good. I call these your back pocket meals. Now double them up so you have leftovers for the next day, and that's 4 dinners right there. Next, add in 2 easy meals: air fryer salmon with potatoes and veggies, pita pizzas with spinach, a protein, and some cheese. And then I recommend trying only 1 new recipe per week. More than that, it can be overwhelming and stressful, and that can lead us to saying, screw it, let's just eat out instead. In the next few weeks, I'll be dropping a video on how to meal plan for the entire month. This will save you so much time and stress. And if you want more meal planning help, check out the link to my meal planning programs in the description. Eating well should be a positive and fulfilling journey, and it should nourish your body and your soul. And if you've been feeling less than great, you might have fallen into one of these 5 common traps. But now that you're aware of them, you're equipped to ditch restriction and ditch negativity and make positive choices to truly enjoy the journey to wellness and bettering your health. Thank you so much for being here and for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button below. And here's your reminder to subscribe to be notified when we release new nutrition tip videos and yummy recipe videos. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive.